Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the earbuds from any paired devices. This prevents automatic reconnection that can block the reset. Once done, put both earbuds into the charging case and close the lid for about 5 seconds to stabilize the connection. Make sure the case and buds have at least 20% battery so the reset completes. Low power can interrupt firmware writes. Finally, open the case and get ready to perform the hold sequence on both earbuds simultaneously. With the case open and LEDs visible, press and hold the touch areas on both earbuds at the same time. You are telling the firmware to enter factory reset mode. Hold for roughly 10 seconds, keep steady pressure, because a shorter press triggers pairing instead. You will see the LEDs flash, often alternating red and white, indicating the reset command executed. Once you release, the buds will clear stored Bluetooth profiles. This is why unpairing first prevents conflicts. After the LED flashes, close the case for about 10 seconds to let the earbuds fully restart and commit the reset. When you reopen, put the earbuds into pairing mode and pair them from your device's Bluetooth settings. Delete any old JBL Endurance Peak, entry first to avoid cached problems. If pairing fails or the LEDs don't flash, recharge the case and earbuds to full. Then repeat the 10-second simultaneous hold. Low battery or uneven contact is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.